What if the biggest nuclear bomb ever developed were to explode in the vacuum of space? This scenario not only raises significant concerns about the immediate effects on surrounding celestial bodies, but also poses terrifying implications for our planet and beyond. The explosion would generate intense radiation and might disrupt or even destroy satellites orbiting Earth, leading to a loss of communications and critical services. Furthermore, the shockwaves could create a chain reaction that impacts other celestial bodies in our solar system. As the shockwaves propagate through space, they could alter the orbits of nearby asteroids and planets, potentially leading to catastrophic collisions. Scientists would be scrambling to predict the fallout and prevent further disaster. The explosion would likely generate an electromagnetic pulse, incapacitating electrical grids on Earth and plunging cities into darkness. This chaos would lead to widespread panic as people struggle to understand the magnitude of the threat and its repercussions. In response to the catastrophic event, researchers would be racing against time to devise methods for restoring power and communication across the globe. Meanwhile, cities left in darkness would reveal the fragility of our society when faced with such a monumental disaster. With escalating tensions, countries would likely heighten their military readiness, fearing further attacks or retaliations. An emergency summit would convene as global leaders attempt to navigate the perilous ramifications of this unprecedented event. As panic spreads, citizens worldwide would rise in protest, advocating for nuclear disarmament and a commitment to peace. Meanwhile, the United Nations would face immense pressure to formulate a plan to avert further escalation and ensure global safety. In the aftermath of the explosion, Earth would face dire ecological consequences, with radiation leaking into the atmosphere and affecting weather patterns. Scientists would urgently study the long-term impacts on the environment and human health, revealing the extensive damage done. The explosion would lead to severe disruptions in agriculture, triggering food shortages and economic instability. As crops fail due to radiation exposure and altered climates, communities would struggle to feed themselves, leading to rising tensions and desperate measures.